No, sir, no, sir, I was saying that I joined late.
Yeah, but you still can do it. Guys,
Okay.
you want to do it? Nobody want to do it? This is maths class. No one should be afraid to do maths, right? All right, let me just go through this one. It's a what? Oh, Jamari. All right, go ahead, Jamari. Our journey that. Go ahead,
Uh,
Jamari. Mm-hmm.
Sir, it's a what
The first,
is the missing number that should replace the question mark below. They give you four options: A dot nine, B dot nine, C dot three, D dot two, and when I look in the bar, when I look at the question at the top, it said the question mark. So that would be seven, and like a little slash behind the question mark would have been the six, because after six is seven, then after seven is eight. So my answer would be B, A
Oh,
seven.
7. Okay, thanks so much. All right, Journey, your hand went up as well. Let me see if I can just your journey and then I give my um oh Journey took down his hand. Journey, you wanted to go? Your hand was up for a second. Let's just check in. No?
The first thing I realized it
Okay,
was
go ahead.
going in descending. The first thing I realized it was going in descending order from 5, 4, and 3. And then I looked at the bottom and I realized it was 2, 1, 0. And then I thought, shouldn't the minus slash sign be 10, and that would be 9 and then 8?
So what's your answer?
9, sir.
9. All right. I'm gonna agree with Journey on this one based on the fact that if you look at these two, you have 5, 4, 3. All right. It look like that, but I'm sure no. Look at this one. 2, 1, 0. You see that they're going down, right? So if this is 8, this would have been 9, and this would have been 10. And they ask for the question sign, so definitely 9. I agree with that one. This is when it gets spooky, guys. Let me small it up because I want you guys to see all the options. Hold on there. Yeah, this is better now. All right, I want you guys to see all the options at once. This, take your time on it. It said which figure comes next in the series. All right, so you're gonna look and see which one of these would come next. These are tricky. You have to observe them. Every single thing you have to observe about it. Do not say, oh, it's easy, man. Look at every single thing. Test out every single thing. All right? I did this with the Friday class. Only 2 boys were there. Thought they did very well. Xavier and who was it? Oh, I forgot the next gentleman name. All right, let me see. Now, John, I'm gonna agree with yours. Oh, let me pause the video because I don't want the video to be too long unnecessarily. Jamil, I agree with yours as well. All right. This one can be so tricky. All right. On Friday, it almost got me, guys. Almost. All right. So initially, I thought it was D because what I used, I was saying, okay, This is going in this direction, this is going in this direction, and I realized that was true. So I was saying D. So initially, my eye catch D, but then I realized that I did not inspect this one here, the one that come in, like this. You see it? This must line up, both of them line up straight. But these two make the difference, this one and this one. Now, if you look at the other ones, this is what I use. This one here. It left from here, go all the way to this one. So basically, it's like a 3-part. So it pass 1, 2, 3. And I test the theory, same thing again. 1, 2, 3. You see where it end up? Right there, so. So I just use this one and say, okay, 1, 2, 3. This must be here, so. And that's how I knew it was C. So initially, my eyes caught on D, but then I test all the theory and I realized that C was in fact correct. So a few persons chose D. That happened to me on Friday with the other class. Initially, I did not look at these two. And that is why I say, guys, these are really tricky. Do not give away your marks. Check everything. You see it? This one is located here, while this one is located here. So I had to use this to prove it. All right? So don't just use one thing alone. Use everything to prove it. All right? Let's move on to 23. And guys, let me give another example, just in case someone joined. You can simply type 23A if you think it's A, 23B if you think is B, 23C if you think is C. Do not try to draw the diagram. There's not enough time for that. If you're gonna draw that class will finish by the time you finish drawing it. All right. So just use the diagram on the screen to help you to do it. All right. You can go ahead and do 23, please. Which is a select the suitable option to replace the question mark in the diagram above. So you see where the question mark is? You're going to replace what diagram you think should go there based on the others that are there. All right. Have fun. Why somebody send me 12? We're not at number 12. Come, guys, we're not focusing. Well done, Najan. Well done, Joanna. Oh, that's Annalie. Oh, I just understand, So this number with the A3 is Analia. Okay, okay. Well done, Analia. I just understand it. As I was saying, oh, you text me a name alone. What you should have do, text me on the original one. And then I would know, say, okay, this is Analia. All right, well done, Jamil. Good job. There is a girl that I'm not seeing. She had an accident with her house. I don't see her from within. I know it's not Paris, but her name starts with K as well. I'm not seeing her in class. Well done, Sky. Well done, Desha. I need to find that girl, I need to find her. Well done, Khalil. Well done, Amarli. This is what I love, guys. Observe. You look at it, most persons so far got this correct. That is what I want you to do. Take your time and do it. All right? Zane, yeah, call me. Well done, Caris. Her name starts with K. As me see the name here, I know say. Need to find her, man. I hope she watch YouTube and just text me. Well done, Emma. When I post this. Well done, Chelsea. Well done, Yumilia. Yumilia, what your first name? That your first name? You have an easier name? Text me if you have an easier name. Different from, I don't know if that's your first or the second. But text me your other name. See if it's easier to call. Yeah, pressure, guys, pressure. Can we get all right? So Astra alone I do them right because so far I've been asking for volunteers. Usually students want to do them, but I only me alone. Jamari, you're not putting in the number, so I can't say it's correct because I don't know what you're answering. Well done, John. Guys, here's a simple instruction. Type the number and the letter. That's not hard to ask. You type 3 something and you press enter. Well done, Ashley. That's all I ask, guys. Persons are sending A, B, C without the number. I don't know what you're answering, so I cannot know if it's correct or not. All right, John. So later then, all right? See you at 4. Yeah, John Ellis. That would be correct. So you say do one before you left. All right. All right, let's look at this one, guys. This one is more straightforward than the previous one, but nevertheless, I must congratulate you guys. Majority got it. If not, think few persons chose D though. Few persons chose D. Let me look at D. Why you guys might have chose D. All right, this go here. So all of this is here, right? But guys, look at the pattern. Look at these. This comes so. What look what them put on? Just look at what they put on. It's to go in that direction. Look at this. Screw. Look at what they put on. This. So you can see, say, up top them I put it on and it a go to the left. That alone, a one pattern you can see, So it means the next one must go so. You see it? That's how I want you guys to think. Look at it, observe every single thing. These are the clues in which they give you to figure out that. All right? So just observe it and some. Somebody say, if I can go back to 22 with a jump off class. All right, guys. We have a Superman. All right, see there. Which figure comes next in the series? And if you want to, let me just describe the solution, even though it's on the video already. This one nearly caught me on Friday, guys. I keep saying that because it nearly did. Look at it, guys. So basically, we can see that this little thing here move to the next one, right? And then move to the next. So that's consistent. So we know that it's going to be here. The next one is going to be here. But what's interesting, this thing right here, we need to locate where this would be. All right? And of course, I use this to do it. It's here, and then it end up here, which is on this. So you say 1, 2, 3. All right, when it's here, 1, 2, 3. You see where it end up? So you do it from here, 1, 2, 3. So it should be here. So that's how we got C. For that child that fell off, all right? Let's move on to 23. No, 24. We're at 24 now. Sir, I lose it, guys. Sir, I lose it. It says, find the missing number below to replace the asterisk. What number would you put there? Is it 100, 101, 103, or 105? Have fun with this one. This one can be a little bit tricky as well. But I know you guys will figure it out. Let me pause the video. I don't want too much space on it. Without no work. I just want it to be a work video.
I don't know about everybody else, but the way I did this was kind of unusual.
And that's fine. That's why it's called mental. It's not about how you write down, it's how you think. It's a thought process. All right, so go ahead.
I realized it was cutting down to half. And 63, half of 63 is 31.5. And half of 31.5 is 15.5. And half of 15.5 is 7.5. So half of 7 would be 3.5. So
Oh,
103.
yeah, I agree. I did it a little different. I think probably because, you know, what I was focusing on, because first when I saw it, I was saying, what is this? This don't make no sense. But then I realized that they're actually focusing on the last two digits. I think that's why a few persons did not attempt it. It's really the last two digits they're focusing on. So this is what they did. Or this is what I think they did. 63 minus 1 give us 62, and you divide by 2, you get 31. Let's check it again. 31 minus 1 equals 30, and then you divide by 2. See, you see it? 15 minus 1 give you 14, divide by 2. But your method, it worked for you. Alright, so good job. Alright, if there are 3 apples and you take away 2, how many do you have? Still, I know that question. If there are 3 apples and you take away 2, how many do you have? You guys will shed some light on this for me.
So, sir, it says if there are 3 apples and you take away 2, how many do you have? So, you're talking about you. So, if you take 2 apples from the 3 apple pack, you will get 2 apples.
Yeah, and I know everyone is saying 1. Guys, this caught me as well because automatically, when I read it, my brain said, how many are left? That's what my brain lit. And it's not what's there. It said, how many do you have? But because we have so many questions like this, where it say, if there are 3 apples, you take away 2, how many are left? Automatically, my brain did not see this. How many do you have? It's literally there, you know. It's not how many are left. Somebody send this to me and say, sir, there you go. It's actually 2 because there are 3 and you take out 2, so you have the 2. That can catch anyone. And that is why sometimes I hear me say, guys, focus on what you're doing. Read it at least because my brain literally tricked me. And I thought a brain was saying, I read up by the way. All right. So I think about 3 persons chose 2. All right, let's move on to 26. Leo needs 14 bottles of coconut water from the store. She can only carry 4 bottles at a time. What is the minimum number of trips Leo needs to make to the store? Hardy. Oh, a law school student is. Almost let me in. All right, go ahead and do that one. We're at 26. Guys, you have to put the number. You cannot just send A, B, C, D, A, B. It's going to be so confusing. You have to put, okay, I'm doing 26, the answer is A. I'm doing 26, the answer is B. Whatever you choose, 26C, 26D. That's very simple. Okay. Oh, you're breaking. All right, not sure if you're hearing us, but you're breaking up. You got the internet, internet connection. All right. Let me see. Some others' hands were up. Let me see if I can find those persons. You guys took down your hands, man. Oh, Zane. All right, let me pick on Zane. Zane hand was up. Go ahead, Zane.
Okay, so sir, Leon needs 14 bottles of coconut water from the store. She can only carry 4 bottles at a time. What is the minimum number of trips Leo needs to make to the store? So it would be 4 trips because if he needs because if he needed because if she needs 14 bottles of coconut water, then 4, 8, 12, and then for the last trip you need to carry 2, making making that 4 trips.
So basically, 4 trips. All right. Some persons are saying, sir, I chose 3.5 because if you divide 14 by 4, I got 3.5. Yes, guys. But just like what Amali was trying to say, because she texted me that and she was saying, sir, you cannot make a half trip. That's the trick to it. That's what they want you to think and say, okay, you cannot make half trip. Can you go halfway? Can you make a half trip to school? No, you won't reach to the school. You understand? So that's what they want you to think and say, okay, you cannot make half trip, so it cannot be this, but rather this. 4 trips. All right. And they clearly say here, she can only carry 4 at a time. Only. So you can't carry 2 because that's what persons are suggesting. You shall carry 2 for the last trip. But it clearly says she can only carry 2. So guys, that's one thing I want us to look at, the keywords. Look at how they phrase it and so forth. So we have to look at the keywords. She can, or the whatever sentence or whatever you see them bold it, look closely at that. Bold means, the big, it blacker and thicker. The bold, the highlight it. You want you to pay close attention to that particular word. That's what I love about them. They will actually do that. And you can observe and say, okay, this is what they want from me. Because I put it in bold for you to see. All right. So guys, that concludes today. I think we'll finish probably 1 minute before the timer or so. But we're gonna finish here because we won't have enough time to answer this one. So someone remind me next class we stop at 27. All right. So we're supposed to do number 27 next. Hope everyone enjoyed the day, and I'll see you guys in the 2-hour class. Whether it's Tuesday, whether it's Thursday, whether it's Friday or Saturday, I'll see you in that class. Everyone enjoy your week and stay safe, all right? And guys, remember we are praying for those persons who are out of class. Some persons still don't get back light, guys. Some get light, some don't have internet. So we have to continue to pray for them and so forth, all right? We're blessed, so we can be at class. What we want them to be too. So let's pray for them, all right? So take care, guys, and I'll see you guys soon, all right?
Bye, sir.
Bye, take care.
Bye, sir.
Bye, guys. Take care, Sky. Take care, Zane.
Bye, sir.
Bye, take care, Zane. All right, see you guys soon.
Bye, sir.
Bye, Jaden and Jaquan. All right, see you guys soon. All right, guys, I'm letting it in. I go switch screen. Give me 1 second.